Okay, so today we're going to be making words and then we're going to be changing that word. So we're going to start with the first picture. We're going to make the word cat. So let's sound it out. K, at. Let's see, I need a k first, a in the middle, and t at the end. Okay, now I have cat. I need to change it to the word hat. That means I'm going to change the first sound. Listen, cat, hat. I need to take out the k and I need to add the h sound, h. Now I have the word hat. Let's try it again with this picture. Let's start with a map. Map. M, a, m, a, p. Okay, now I want to change the word map and I want to make it sap. That's the stuff that drips out of the tree. Sap. App. Well, I already have app. I just need to change the first letter. Let's think about that. App. So I need to take out the M and I need to add the S sound in. Now I have app. We don't always change the very first sound in the word when we change our word. This time we're going to focus on a different letter. So let's start by writing the word map again. We know app. We need those sounds. A, p. Okay. A, p. Now I want to take the word map and I want to change it to mat. Let's see. A, t. Looks like we have the and the a, but we need to change the p. That doesn't make the t sound in mat. So let's take out the p and let's add in the t sound at the end. Let's see. At. Now we've changed the word from map to mat. Okay, this time we have a pot. Let's see. Pot. Pot. Okay, now I need to change it to hot. Which sound should I change? Listen. Hot. Hot. Which letter didn't match? That's right, the P. Listen. Hot. What letter do I need? H says hot. Hot. Okay, now let's start with this word. Hop. Up. Up. I have hop. They want me to change it to hot. Let's sound it out. Hot. Now I need to change the very last sound to make the word hot. Listen again. Hot. What letter should I put it there? I need the t sound, so I'm going to put the letter T. Hot. Hot. Nice job. It's almost time for you to practice this on your own. Keep with me. Let's start with the word mad. Add. Ah. Now I have the word mad. It wants me to change mad to map. Let's see what we need for map. App. This time I'm changing that ending sound. I have the other sounds that I need. App. Just need to add in the last sound to make it map. Okay, we've done the beginning sound, we've done the ending sound. Let's try one now in the middle. Let's start with the word bag. Ag. B. Ag. Bag. Okay, now let's change it to the word bug. B. Ug. We have the right sounds in the beginning and the end, and now we need to change the middle sound. Listen. B. Ug. It's not the ah sound anymore. Now we need to make it a U to say ah. B. Ug. Bug. Great job. Let's try one more of those. Let's start with hit. It. Now I want to change it to hat. I have it. What do I need to change to make it say at? I need to change the middle sound. What letter should I put there? At. A says hat. Okay, boys and girls, now it's your turn. You're going to find this page after you're done listening to me. And on this page, you're going to be changing the word. First, you have to read it. Bun. Bun. I need to make the word bun into sun. So down in the boxes, I need to type the letters that make the word un. I can use the word bun to help me. You're going to keep doing this until all of the words are fixed on the page. Some of them are a little bit tricky. Some of them change the first sound. Some of them change the middle sound. And some of them change the ending sound. So you'll have to really listen to figure out which letters you need to write down. Let's try this one. Id. Rid. How do we make the word rid into rip? What sound is different? Ip. I need R, I, but at the end I need the P sound. All right, when you're ready, you can try and do this whole paper. If you're not able to do it online, you can always just write down the words on your own. Do your best work.